po natin ang ating pag-aaral. Point number 1. In times of suffering, learn to be steadfast. Job 1:21 and 22, the Lord had taken away, blessed be the name of the Lord, my God. Kapag tayo dumadaan sa Job season, kapag tayo dumadaan sa mga sufferings of life, point number 1, learn to be steadfast. Job didn't deny the pain, but he declared praise to God. Hindi niya sinabing, hindi ko nararanasan ang kanyang mga kapighatian. Pero siya'y nagpuri sa Diyos. Grabe yung tinatawag nating Job season. In one day, everything was gone. Pero si Job, instead of blaming God, he vowed to worship our God. So steadfast means hindi nagsiship yung ating pananampalataya, na kahit nagsishik yung ating kapaligiran, nagsishik yung ating pamilya, nagsishik yung ating kabuhayan, nagsishik ang lakat ng bagay, but our faith in God never na nagsiship. Tandaan po natin, pain is inevitable, but quitting is optional. Kaya kung tayo po ay dumadaan sa mga tinatawag nating sufferings of life, don't deny the pain, but declare praises to God. Stop blaming God and start bowing to worship God. People worship God for what He gives. Pero si Job, he worship God for who God is. Marami sa atin nagpupuri, sumasamba sa Diyos, na tumatanggap tayo ng mga biyaya ng pagpapala. Pero si Job, hindi lang pagpapala ang kanyang tinanggap. Sa kabila ng kanyang katapatan, katwiran, paglilingkod, sinamba niya ang Diyos dahil ang Diyos ay tapat sa kanya. Take note, faith that collapses under pressure was never a conviction. It is a convenience. Kaya kung tayo po'y may tinatawag na pananampalataya, dahil masagana, maayos at maganda lang ang ating nararanasan, hindi conviction yan. Ang tawag yan, convenience. So tandaan po natin, the perseverance of Job, point number 1, in times of suffering, learn to be steadfast. Kapatid, kung ikaw man ay dumadaan sa tinatawag nating Job seasons of life, halos lahat nawala sa'yo. Halos lahat sinubok ka. Sabay-sabay, sunod-sunod, walang sablay. Hindi ka pinaparusahan ng Diyos. Pinapanday ka lang niya. Pinatatatag, pinatitibay, pinatatapag. If you believe that, type, Amen.